Okay guys, so here it is. This is going to be the unboxing of the Hygger Smart Aquarium Starter Kit HG 146-10 gallon. Let's get this thing unboxed. This thing actually came in a much bigger, huge box. Then inside of that huge box was another box, this inside of the second box. Alright, now, here it is. It's a pretty solid tank. Here, the lid is white. The filter pad. Not sure what this is for. Instead, we have a kit for siphoning and doing water changes. Looks like we have a little mini net for fish. And looks like we have a cleaning blade, cleaning glass. And why is this propeller pump? That means propeller for the pump, not in the pump. It probably came off underneath here, and this needs to be hooked up to that, and this just fell out in packaging. So we will get this thing all put together and come back here in a minute. Okay, so we need to get this back into the pump. So instructions are not very clear on this thing, so we're going to take this off. And here is the pump. So it looks like I should be able to take this out of here, slide this back on here, and there we are, nice and good. There's a rubber gasket that seats around this. So we just lay this back into the area where it belongs. Let's see here. It's a little fidgety. Move this back into there. And we should be able to slide this up to here and click it. So there's a little skimmer wheel to get oils off the surface. When you put water in here, this thing should, here, let's take this apart. This thing here should go up and down in the water according to the level of the water. This will spin. So let's put this back on here. There. And this is in there. This should go here. This is a Venturi valve to let air into the tank. You can close this or open it and air will come out, or you can close it and then just keep all the water in here and not let any air come out. So that's a Venturi valve. So this should go here now. And these should line up here. And this should line up here. So just put that there. Push this up some. And that is now connected. So yeah, there we go. Oh, this does look a little high. Now there's a wire caught right there. Slide that back. Put this here. Make sure that that is seated there. And scooch some of these wires back. And we should all be good. Alright, the tank is placed where I'm going to have it, next to my reef tank. And then we will be back for part 2 for a more in-depth, closer look at this thing.